In just a mo, I'll give you a brief explanation behind each answer, linking the vocabulary or contextual links between the text and the question. I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your coursebook is open in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to take the time to find the vocabulary and contextual links that I'll be talking about. Ready? Then let's go. For question 1, they've given you the answer as an example, so let's skip right on to question 2, which is B. Rod describes his efforts to stay awake as he says, "I had to fight the desire to go to sleep." For question 3, the answer is D. Max mentions being in pain all over after the incident, as he says, "Every bit of my body, including my hair, my eyelashes, hurt." For question 4, the answer is C. It's tricky, this one, as we have to justify the use of the word assume, which is used in question 4. This assumption is made because he was knocked unconscious and woke up somewhere else. Therefore, he assumes, because he doesn't know, as he was unconscious, he had an unplanned flying lesson. So it's probably better to assume than experience, I suppose, in this case. For question 5, the answer is A. Crying in question 5 refers to the mention of tears in A, and it's the fact that the direction his tears went which told him which way was up and which way was down, and therefore which way to dig, therefore helping him to survive. For question 6, the answer is C. In C, he lists the injuries he suffered towards the end of the text. The number of injuries and differences between them can be described as multiple injuries, as it is said in question 6. For question 7, the answer is A. The long wait which question 7 talks about refers to the text at the end of A about the time he had to wait before he was rescued. For question 8, the answer is D. Temporary deafness, which is mentioned in question 8, refers to the text in D where it says, "He couldn't hear anything for a while." Well, if you can't hear, you're deaf, and for a while refers to something temporary. Simple. For question 9, the answer is B. The bit in question 9 about being unable to relate to rescuers refers to the last sentence in B about feeling disconnected from his rescuers. For question 10, the answer is D. Changes in temperature, which question 10 is getting at, is referred to in the middle of D as Max describes experiencing both extreme cold and heat.